Braden Walters from Lennox Head. Thanks for joining the Carpool series of Soho.
Thanks very much, Trent.
Heaps happening in Lennox Head, I guess, post-elections, last 30 days. What do you guys see in the market?
It's been a really interesting year. So off the back of the Royal Commission for the banking industry and then 2 elections and everything else, the last 30 days has actually been quite exciting in our market. It just seems like there's a lot more confidence about interest rate being dropped, and like what we're seeing around the rest of the country, I think people are just maybe starting to take that step to do things again rather than sitting back for 12 months and waiting. A lot of our buyers that have been looking for 12 months are now ringing us back saying, I'm ready to make an offer now.
Gotcha.
Sort of like, well, it's about time. It is a really good time to buy. The market's still relatively depressed, like with what other people are seeing around the country. Where in Lennox, we're probably down about 12 to 14%, which is pretty typical, I think, from all the other guys you're talking to. So I think, like everyone's saying, it is a good time to be buying up our way.
I guess for a buyer at the moment, what advice do you have for them, or what opportunities can you kind of see for a buyer coming into Lennox Head?
Yeah, just get that finance approval, get the tick from the bank, and then come out and shop. There's some great buys out there. There's some cracking properties that, at the peak were sort of 2.5 million. They're now just tucking under $2 million. So there's some really, really good stock that's been sitting on a while and it's seen the ride in the market. If you're a buyer, get your finance approval and get out there. And don't be afraid to make an offer. I think that's sometimes we're seeing as well. People are like, I don't want to offend the owner. I'm like, well, don't offend the owner. You won't offend the owner. Just tell me what you'd pay, and I'm sure they're receptive to it.
Yeah, sure.
I
guess you're dealing a lot with vendors at the moment. Springtime's not too far away. Do you guys predict that there's going to be more properties coming to market in spring, or how do you see that at the moment?
Well, typically in our area, we do get more around that October, November, the springtime, especially around the beaches, around the East Coast. More people are moving or thinking of moving. They want to be moved around Christmas. So, I think that for vendors, the market is getting better. The market is showing signs of gaining momentum. So if you are a vendor looking to sell in spring, then I'd be certainly even talking about it now, as days on market are a little bit longer. But the stock's coming. We don't really have a shortage of stock up there. There's still plenty available, but we are talking to more, so I think there's more coming.
Braden, you've obviously sold a lot of properties and you've got a lot of properties for sale at the moment. What are some of your featured listing that you think might be of interest to the market?
Yeah, we've got this cracking listing, 41 Blue Seas Parade in Lennox Head. It's literally like 2 blocks from the beach. Every other house in the street or across the road from this house has sold for $2 million plus. This one's just across the road, and we're looking at about $935 to $980 for that. It's a 4-bedroom house, pretty much brand new. Mate, that offers great value, and it gets you right into the middle of Lennox Head.
Braden, contact details. How do I get in contact with you from a buyer or a seller?
There's many ways. Through the McGrath website, through my own website, bradenwalters.com.au, or certainly through the Soho app. Just connect, send me a message. I'm certainly always available, and love to help people, especially those that are moving from outside of the area to Lennox or Byron or surrounding areas. Having just done it myself, just under 3 years ago, I know what you're looking for. I know what you're going through. So making yourself available is really easy, and I'd love to help.
Braden, thanks for joining the Carpool series of Soho.
Thank you very much.
Cheers, mate.
Enjoy.